That was a good film, quite enjoyed that. Look, I want to talk, if an incident happens outside the cinema, shopping centre, yeah, I've seen it time and time and time again, mobile phones. Taking photos of someone that's collapsed, not offering to help, not assisting. Use the phone for what it's for. Calling 999, get emergency help, assist at this situation. Don't be a hindrance. Okay, 999, the emergency operator will tell you what to do and will keep you online until appropriate assistance or paramedic is called. So please don't do videos, social media, use the phone for life-saving purposes. Okay, promise me that. Thank you.